Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, this is gonna be another vlogmas type of video. And last night I was thinking, how can I get rid of more products without just doing huge project plans? While I was doing my inventory, I realized I've been posting collection videos. I realized that I have minis. Some of these minis I spent money on, and some of them came as gift purchases or point perks. And point perks, you guys, are just ways of spending money because you have to save points or you have to buy stuff to get points. So those are worth some money. What I'm gonna do today, it's a mini project pan, and it's just a play of words, because what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you 12 products that I chose, and this is gonna be a year-long project plan. I'm gonna start it now in December and I'm gonna finish it in December next year. I will roll in products. So it's a rolling project pan, but I chose 12 products, 12 mini products that I want to finish and remove from my collection. So if you want to see the 12 products that I chose for this mini project pan, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for this mini project pan, we're gonna have 6 updates. So I'm gonna do an update bi-monthly, and it's gonna be rolling like I said, and it's gonna be done on December of 2021. So for the first product that I wanted to show you is this Dior Backstage Foundation in the shade 4N. This is basically, I have only about 2 more mini foundations to finish. So this Dior foundation, it's gonna be used as a bronzer because you can see how different it is from my skin tone. So this is gonna be one that I just wanna finish. And that way, if I put minis in here, I don't have the urge to put them on my Partners in Cream project pan, because on that one I wanna work on bigger products. So yeah, this one is one that I just wanna remove from my collection. And maybe if I love the formula even as a bronzer, at some point I will get the full size of it for myself. But it's just brand new and I wanna finish it off. Another one that is completely brand new and that I wanna finish it off, and it's brand new, even more full than the first amount that it came with, because this one I get to refill with the big one that I have. So this one I want to finish it completely. It's completely full right now. I refilled it yesterday, and I don't use setting spray. I don't use setting spray that often, and I think it does change the appearance of your makeup. And sometimes I want to use it with eyeshadow, and then I don't have it close by, and I don't like spraying it with a bigger bottle. So having the small bottle will help me just finish the bigger bottle. I will keep the little container because every time I have a setting spray, I prefer to put it in a little container for my makeup artistry kit. I have 4 setting sprays in total, and what I want to have is a all-nighter one, and I want to have a Fix Plus, which I don't right now. And finishing the other ones that I have, 2 minis and then another full size of Wet n Wild and a full size of all-nighter, will help me with the goal of just having 2 in my collection. So yeah, this is one that I want to finish. This, I placed it here and it's about to be done, but I need a little push. And this is Painted Lady by Stila. This, even though it has a little bit of product, it can become even more product because I will use a few drops to make it more diluted, and that way I can finish it completely. I will, even if I have to, I will remove the stopper after I know that it's dried out, because it's just something that I want to be able to tackle this year. And I have a couple more of these that if I finish this one in the project, I will roll in another one of these and keep working on them. I used to buy the NARS sets like crazy, and I was collecting multiples at some point in my life when I started getting into makeup, high-end makeup. So this is Malibu, and you can see how pretty this is. This is a brownish color. It's a great product that you can use for blush, or you can even use it as a bronzer. You can see it right here. It can be a really red tone bronzer, but you can use it as a bronzer. This blend like a dream, and the amount of product, it's brand new, but the amount of product that it comes with is not that much. I know that creams last a long time, but this one, since it blends so easily, you can over apply it or apply more if you want more pigmentation. And I want to finish this up. I want to start working on my multiples, and this mini is a great way to start. For eyeshadow, you guys know that I will be working on my pan, those eyeshadows or pan Pan That Palette project, and I will put a lot of eyeshadows. You will see next year on the intro, or maybe you will see the intro of the Pan That Palette at the end of this Vlogmas series. But I didn't want to put any powder eyeshadow, so I put this one. This is a sample, and it didn't come that full, so I want to just finish it up. This is a Makeup Forever Aqua XL eyeshadow, and this is basically a liquid eyeshadow. I've noticed that the products that I chose are liquids and creams, so this is a mini partners in cream project without the partners because I'm doing it all by myself. And I'm not even going to swatch it because I don't want to waste the product, but this will be nice to use as a base for my eyeshadow. I always use brown as a base or as a transition shade, so I can use this one instead. It sets really nice. Yesterday I was swatching it on my hand and it sets nicely, and it's a cool tone product, and I know I can finish it super quickly, and I will see what else I can bring into the project as soon as I finish this. But yeah, it's brand new. I swatched it last night and I've had it for a while. The goal for everything is to finish it, you guys. The Better Than Sex mascara, I have another one of these, and I know that even if I haven't opened them, they get dried out. So even quicker than the ones that I recently opened, which are the Laura Mercier one, the last one that I have, and then also, which one? And then I know I have another one open. And then I also have a Roller Lash, a brown one that I'm using as a primer. So those are open, but I can use this one with those two as well. Just switch them up, the Laura Mercier with this one, until I finish it. It's a mini mascara. The Too Faced are really nice. They sell them. They sell the minis. I love this mascara, but it smudges on me, so the only way that I'm gonna use them is right now that I'm at home and right now that I don't go out anywhere, but I do my makeup for filming. So yeah, this one, again, if I finish it, I have another one to go through, and then I have a Stila mini that I could go through. As a highlighter, I place here High Beam by Benefit. And this is a beautiful highlighter, but I never use it because I don't tend to go for liquid highlighters. You guys know this. So the other mini that I have, I will not try to pan because it's the What's Up by Benefit, and when I travel, I always take it. I panned a What's Up mini highlighter a while back. I think it was last year, and I loved it. I loved it so much that I talked about it, and the brand sent me a full-size Benefit What's Up, and I love that one. I use it a lot. Keeping in mind that it's a cream to powder product, and I don't use creams every day. It's one of my favorite highlighters. And then the mini that I had that I got as a gift with purchase a while ago at Ulta, I keep it there because if I start traveling again, that one is brand new and I will take it with me when I travel. I take a mini size highlighter and I take that one. But that one, I don't mind if it's a mini because I know the other one took me almost a year to finish. So this is the mini that I want to finish for highlighter. I have a Too Faced mini powder highlighter that I can finish after finishing this one. So High Beam will be my highlighter, and it's brand new. I swatched it yesterday, and it's a pinky glow that you can put underneath foundation. For lips, I picked a few products. The first one is this Buxom lip gloss. A while back, I know I have a video here somewhere. A while back, I purchased a set of 24 or something like that, something crazy like that, Buxom lip glosses, and it came with liquid lipsticks and whatnot, because these used to be my favorite gloss formula. Now the Fenty one beat it up, but these are still beautiful glosses, and they're still basically my top two glosses. So this is in the shade Sandy, and I've gone through quite a bit of it, so I know that I can finish it. I need to tackle my lip drawer. I don't purchase that many lippies, so I need to go through a lot of them before they go bad, and at some point I only want to have about 10 lip products, a red, a lot of nudes, and then a few lip glosses, and that would be great because I don't switch up my lip that often. So yeah, I want to finish this one, and I have about 4 more Buxom lip glosses that are minis that I need to go through, but this one will be a motivational one because it's basically a clear to nude one that I can wear on an everyday basis. Talking about nudes, I have here this Burberry lipstick, and this is in the shade Nude 407, and this doesn't come with a lot of product, and it's one of those colors that I know I can finish because it's one of those colors that I love. The reason why I haven't finished this one is because I find it to be so cute that I never use it. I've used it about twice, and I didn't want the imprint that it had to just got removed. I'm gonna swatch it, a small swatch, because I don't want to waste it. But it's a brownie nude, and I know I can wear those every single day. So this won't be hard to finish. I know it will last a little while because minis tend to last longer than what you would think. And I think I have another mini in my collection, a lipstick mini, and I will roll them in until I finish them completely. Then I have this Dior Addict Ultra Gloss. I finished this year the Dior Lip Glow Maximizer, and I love that formula. This is not the same formula that I know of, but it's just a different color, and I love sometimes for my lips to look red, and it's a small size, so I know I can tackle it, and that will bring my count of lip products down by a few if I finish all my minis, because I count my minis as full-size products. They have a ton of product inside of them. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Glow, and I used to have two full size of them. I gave one to my mom and I gave one to Daniela. They were sent on PR. The reason is not that I don't love them, is that when I put glowing powders on my face, they a lot of time tend to make me oily, and then I love the finish of them first, and that's why I want to reach for them, but they make me oily. And if I'm gonna use a highlighter, I have so many highlighters that I don't use those as highlighters. But I kept this small size, which was the first time that I tried it. I picked up a gift with purchase at Sephora. So this comes with a lot of product for a shiny brightening powder. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish this mixing it up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little bit yellow. I'm gonna use this mixing it up with any powder that I'm using on my face, or maybe to buff, and that way I will extend the lifetime of my mood light and my radiant light, because I'm gonna try to be in a low buy next year, and the only way that I will purchase products, I'm always in a low buy nowadays, but I want the only products that I purchase to be products for review or products or Natasha Denona shadows, you know. So I want to save money and I want to keep working on my finances. So using this as a blurring powder or as a buffing powder will work amazingly for me. I don't know how long it's going to last me, but I know it's not going to be a super quick product to finish. Even though it comes with 1 gram of product, that doesn't sound like much, but you only need the tiniest amount. So let's see how long it takes me to finish it. And if I can just remove the sifter, I will keep the little top for when I travel to put my Laura Mercier Translucent. And then last but not least, I have here the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Bronzer. This one, I have the full size of it, and I always save these for when I travel, but I don't want to save them anymore. If I will carry my full size, I will carry my full size when I travel, or I will carry one of my 10 face palettes for when I travel instead of having another mini. And I love this one. I just need to lower my mini collection and just focus on the full size products, even when I travel, that I have no other choice but to use them. This is one that I know I can finish because I finished a full size before, but I know that minis come with a lot of product. I panned a Hula this year, a Hula mini, and it took me forever to finish. So that's it, you guys. Those are my 12 products. I'm not gonna put a goal, a usage goal. I just want to finish them completely. Like I said, it's gonna be a rolling project pan, so you will see products rotating into it until I have no more minis left or samples left. And that's it, you guys. For an emoji today, let's just put something related to mini or to better than sex. That's something. What do you find? What do you find that's better than sex? Leave it as an emoji in the comments below. And also, do you have minis? Do you love them? Do you wanna pan them? If you're gonna pan some, just leave what you're trying to pan below and let me know how it's going for you. If you use them, if you don't. That's it, you guys. Thank you for stopping by and watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.